Guys, welcome to another video. In this video I want to talk about like how you can effortlessly create content for your affiliate marketing business. So I'm going to cover everything in this video, so please make sure you stay till the end, because this is the one of the topic like many people will get stuck. They choose their product, they choose their niche, but they get stuck to create content, and it becomes a topic that they cannot they cannot move forward. And because this is the place where I was stuck, I used to go and see like people what they're creating, and I used to see like it's already there, what is there to for me to create. So this was my thought when I was creating content. So I just thought of creating this video so that you understand like how you can come up with your countless content ideas for your affiliate marketing business. And before actually get started, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Sachin, and I'll be creating content on how to grow your online business with affiliate marketing, and also I'll be talking about mindset, productivity, and sales funnel, email marketing. So if you're interested, please hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get started with high ticket affiliate marketing, be sure to check the first link in the description. That is the program created by my mentor, that is Work with Sebastian program. And coming back to today's topic, like this was a place many people will get stuck, and I was one amongst them, like who was not able to move further because I had no idea what content I should create in my affiliate marketing business. So here is the number one thing that you should be focusing. So I'm assuming that you already have your niche selected and your product selected before you go ahead and create that content, because selecting affiliate product is another different topic. I have created multiple videos on them. You can go ahead and check them. I think I'll just leave my description here above or below in the description. And like once you have them, like in order to go ahead and create, like because content is the thing like that is going to sell that product, so you need to be very crystal clear and strategically create that content around that particular topic. So I'm going to cover few of the points that you should brainstorm yourself before going ahead and creating that content. The number one point is like everybody online like wants to go from point A to point B, right? Like everybody, that's why they come online, they search for things. Like even if they're trying to buy something, or if they're trying to learn something about new, they come online and they try to see like how they can reach from point A to point B. And like you gotta understand like how your product is going to help your audience to reach from point A to point B. It could be a simple thing, like you need to come up with a list of things that can actually help your people to reach from point A to point B. How you can do this is like you're gonna create pillars, like I call them buckets or pillars, whatever you wanna call it. Like you're gonna create pillars in order to support that point A to point B bridge. And what I meant by those pillars is like, I'll give you an example. Right now I'm promoting a product related to affiliate marketing, sales funnel creation software, that is ClickFunnels. So now I know like what kind of people I should be talking and what kind of content I should be creating. So what I will go ahead and do is like in those pillars, like I talk about mindset that is required to build an affiliate marketing business. I talk about offer creation, like how they can create an irresistible offer for that affiliate offers. I talk about conversion process, that how they can go ahead and build a sales funnel that can go ahead and then finally I will talk about traffic that is required in order to make that sale happen. So these are the core pillars. Again, you can make subcategories in between them. I know these core 4 categories are the things that people are looking online. Like if I want to sell my product, if that I know that product can help them from reach A to A, but in order to support that I need to create these pillars in between, and I'm going to add content around these topics. I talk about mindset, I talk about affiliate marketing, I talk about sales funnel, I talk about offer creation, I talk about traffic. So these are the things. So once I start producing content around, people will start coming around, like you start attracting the like-minded people, your right targeted audience. I'm just taking an example of affiliate marketing because that is what I'm currently doing. It can apply to any type of business, any type of niche, any type of product. So you're going to create content around, like this is number one. You're going to come up with a list of things that people are searching for. I just gave an example of traffic, offer creation, mindset, and producing content. So these are the core topics that I mostly talk about. And the next one is like this is one topic, like you can come up with the content ideas based on this. And the next one I want to talk about is like you go ahead and create you document your journey. For example, what I meant by this is like right now I'm recording yourself, like you're just talking about mindset. You can also share your journey, like you go on a beach, you can create a vlog and talk about something related to your marketing. And once you start doing that, like it's not going to help people, like I'm not telling like it's not going to provide, but definitely people will start enjoying your content and they build more trust with you because they see he's a real person, like who is guiding me to reach from point A to point B. That kind of creates that trust, and no matter whatever you sell, like it becomes much more effective, and easier to sell that particular product, like if you do it this way. So step number 2 is like you got to come up with some ideas that can actually document your journey. It could be you go on a beach, you go on a trip, or like just document something that is related to you, that shows your personality online, because you got to be real online in order to grow in the long run. So this is number 2. Number 3 is like you can create result oriented videos. It could be like how your product can bring results. You can do a screen sharing videos, and you can talk to your student like who is already successful by using your product. You can create a testimonial videos. So you can create multiple videos that these kind of videos plays with the brain of your buyer. Like they creates that additional belief that this product can actually help them. If the other person can do it, I can do it too. So this is result oriented videos that can actually help people to trust more in your product, and that kind of gives them proof that this product actually works. And the next one I want to talk about is like you can come up with because about your niche or about your product, there could be some myths that are false. I mean, there are some things that are falsely told by other marketers, or that is some kind of a thing that created online. So you want to create videos about to avoid those myths. You want to give your perception about that particular thing. So there could be multiple things like affiliate marketing. Some people think it is a scam, some people think like it is a real business, some people think like it is only for the people who has money. So there are some misconceptions that are created around this, and you can go ahead and create that can actually help people come above those misconceptions that are created online already. And the sun is getting high. Okay, and the next one is I want to talk about is like the myths. And then the last one like you want to consider is like objection handling. So your product has like you can come up with a list of things that can create objection for your buyer to like it will stop them from buying that product. So there could be multiple things. Some people will say they don't have time, they don't have money, they don't have they don't have enough knowledge in order to implement the things that you are teaching in your product. So you can come up with a list, and you want to address them in your videos or in your content that you are going to create. So these are multiple things I already spoke about, like creating your core pillars about how your product can help people from reach A to point A to point B. You can document your journey, and you can talk about myths or misconceptions that are already present about your product or about your industry or about your things. And next one is like you can create result oriented videos that can actually help people believe more in you. And the last one I spoke about is like objection handling. Like you're gonna address those objections so that it becomes much clear for them to go ahead and buy that product. So I already spoke a lot of topics here, these core pillars. What you're gonna do today is like if you're struggling to create content, you're gonna pick up your niche product, and you're gonna make create these main categories and create subcategories in between them. And trust me, you're gonna get countless amount of content ideas right now if you're watching this video right now. So I hope you got value from this video, guys. And if you want to build your online business with high ticket affiliate marketing, recurring commission programs, and you want to learn how to create sales funnel, email marketing, I have a link in the description. That is program created by Mentor. That is one of the greatest program I have ever seen, that can actually change a lot for you. Go ahead and check it out. And if you have any questions, do let me know. You can always email me. I'll leave my email address in the description. And if you're enjoying my content, please do subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Thank you.